everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we are going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go and get right into this. You can see this says Little Helper, and it's pretty much like a cleansing little kit for kids to teach them how to clean, but let's go and get right into this. So you excited about reviewing this? Yeah, so let's go ahead and open it up and see everything that comes in here. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Here's that.
Oh, that's like a dustpan. Look, and it has an extension.
And here's this.
What's that?
And it's squid.
Oh, it's the part of the broom.
That's the broom.
Oh.
Or this can go to color hair.
No, it's a broom. It's for sweeping the floor. Please put that
And
together.
there's lots of these.
Wipe it off good. You don't need to spray that much. Sprinkle some of these out. Wait, hold on.
I'll vacuum it up.
You get to stand on the side and vacuum it.
I didn't vacuum.
You turn it on. It's going to be easier. Here, start sucking it up with this.
Yay. Right.
That'll be from the couch. You get a step on it, and then we're going to throw it in the
What?
trash.
It just popped open.
Oh. She's going to throw that. Do not open it again.
And then they will.
Give it a thumbs up, so that's it. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.